there's a new rumor emerged that actually iPhone 12s aren't going to be any cheaper. You're not going to get any cost savings for this because of the additional cost of making every single unit 5G capable. And then that's actually going to cost them more. Possibly also the fact that the whole lineup goes to OLED. And that's actually going to cost them more even than whatever cost savings occur from getting the charging brick out of there. So this report stating that the baseline iPhone 12 is going to go up $50 from the previous version. In a research note provided to Mac Rumors, analyst Jeff Poo forecasted that iPhone 12 pricing will start at $749 for the 5.4-inch model, an increase of $50 over the base iPhone 11. He said the price is primarily attributed to the addition of 5G and OLED on all iPhone 12 models. As you know, Will, the current generation iPhone 11 only featuring an LCD display. Of course, you're going to see an increase probably across the board. How mad are people going to be? I don't know. It seems like people are kind of used to the idea of the increasing price of flagship phones. There's almost an expectation there. And $50 is not an enormous increase in cost. I think people will be happy to see the improvements, maybe even more so with the display comparative to the 5G, because not everybody's totally 5G capable at the moment. But we're going to have to see what happens with the charger thing, because that is a real tangible reason for people to get upset. And that's what I'm sensing in the marketplace. Mm-hmm. As much as you can make the other side of the argument, the regular customer feels like they're getting less when there's fewer things in the box. Imagine the unboxing video. I mean, that's no fun.
Done.
That's no fun.
Yeah.
But there is a big question surrounding the cable that will be included in the box. This could be the last iPhone to ship with a cable, as you've heard the rumors around the wireless thing, as you mentioned earlier. Do you get a Lightning to USB-A, Lightning to USB-C, or can we hold out hope for a huge blockbuster event that Apple actually ships a Type-C smartphone? Probably not going to happen.
Or maybe it's just like an adapter.
An adapter.
Lightning to C or something.
Maybe there's an adapter in the box. Who knows? Right now, all signs seem to be pointing to a Lightning to USB-A, because so far the majority of Apple power bricks that are out there are going to need that A connector to function. Mm-hmm. And most people are going to be using old power bricks, presumably with the new iPhone, given this particular development. So anyways, slight price increase here for the upcoming smartphones. Just to round it out, by the way, the 6.1-inch iPhone 12 would likely start at $799 or $849. Customers who want to stick with the same size display as the iPhone 11 could be facing a larger $100 to $150 price increase. Of course, this is because the new 5.4-inch model would be the entry point price-wise now.